Guys, your friendly neighborhood RV salesman Mike at RV Connection, coming to you live today with a 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2608BS. A few of my favorite outdoor features. When you think Rockwood, you think luxury, you think amenities. So you are going to get some electric stabilizer jacks with this. That way you're not having to crank anything up and down by hand. Just push a button, nice and easy. You are also going to get tire pressure monitors. That is standard on every Rockwood Ultralight floor plan. Comes with the monitor that you can plug into your 12-volt outlet up on your dash in your truck. That way you can keep track of those tire pressures. If you do get low on one, you know what's going on. You're also going to get a Blackstone flat top griddle that clips right onto here with a propane disconnect. That way you can go outside, grill up some eggs and bacon in the morning without making your whole camper warm. I know it gets hot down here. One of my other favorite features is that Rockwood is the only travel trailer left that I know of that still hard mounts a ladder on the back. You don't have to buy that pesky $300 Lippert on the go ladder anymore. Rockwood's gonna keep you camping comfortably no matter what and still allow you to check your roof. Come on inside, we're gonna take a look at a few of my favorite interior features. Here inside the 2608BS, we've got a few different amenities that everybody might like. First and foremost, no one wants to sit inside uncomfortably. These Thomas Paine collection recliners are the best recliners I've ever sat in, and that includes in my own house. Lazy Boy has finally taken a back seat. They're also going to come with a wireless charger, so you can pop your phone right here. It'll go ahead and start charging. You're going to get a 12-volt electric fireplace, so for those of you that like to go during the winter time or in the chillier months of the fall, you can keep nice and toasty in here without bleeding your propane tank dry. In addition to that, when it gets to be colder out, for those of you that like to go in the end of the year, Rockwood Ultralights are standard extended season ready, meaning there's a forced air enclosed underbelly down there for the plumbing. There's also a 12-volt electric warming blanket wrapped around each of your holding tanks that you can turn on your monitor panel at any given time. They are temp sensitive, so when they get above about 50 degrees, they will automatically kick off. That way you don't have to worry about burning up your holding tanks. That bed over there is going to collapse down into a bed. It's a kitchen table, but that's what I meant. It's going to collapse down into a bed if you have any extra company. They'll have two ACs on this, so for those of you down here in the southwestern region of the United States, we know it gets real hot come July. This is going to keep it nice and cool, as will your interior Azdel fiberglass. So this right here is not just on the outside, it's solid. It's going to keep that heat out and that cool air in. You're also going to get a dual swing fridge over there. So say you don't want everybody dirtying up your camper at the campsite, they got muddy shoes or whatever, you don't just open it from here. You can have someone just reach inside, stay right here in the doorway, pop it open from here, grab some juices for the kids, beers for the buds, whatever you guys need out of there. Standard on Rockwood Ultralights is also going to be a king size bed, so whoever you are, you're going to be nice and comfy in here and have plenty of space. I feel like me and my wife could fit very comfortably in here. You're also going to get a much bigger closet over there with full-length mirrors. So when you're getting ready for the day, you can see what you look like before you go out there. Make sure that you're looking all clean and professional. Or if you're at the campsite, making sure you've got your best tan lines. This is the 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2608BS. I'm Mike at RV Connection. We hope to see you guys camping real soon.